Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today let's consider this image, and this one is LPC2148 microcontroller, and let's talk about this pin, any pin, but I've considered this one, pin 4th of port 0. Okay, how means 0, 1, 2, 3 and this one is pin 4 of port 0. So this single pin on a microcontroller can act as an input pin, an output pin, or it can be driven as high, or it can be driven as low, and sometimes even it acts as an active low or active high pin. Let's discuss about this pin configuration. So this one is LPC2148 ARM7 microcontroller, and this is the pin 40 pin 4. So this pin configuration means in pin configuration we are having two modes, that is input mode and one more is output mode. This is pin configuration. And the pin state means, is this pin is low, is it acting as a low pin or high means 1 and low is 0. Okay, as I told you about pin configuration, that is input mode and output mode. So is this pin an input or output? If output, is it driven high or driven low? So let's discuss about pin configuration, that is input versus output. Okay, I configure this pin as output. This controller becomes the driver of that pin, driver of this pin. Okay, driver means what? Controller can push this pin to high or pull this pin to low. As we know, inside this microcontroller, they are having many tiny electronic switches. So in output mode, these switches connect this pin either to VCC or to ground. In output mode, when output is high, this pin is connected to VCC. When output is low, this pin is connected to the ground. Okay, so that's why we say the pin is driven high or driven low. This is related to the pin configuration. When this pin is configured in input mode, this controller does not drive the pin at all. Okay, like this pin is in floating state. So then from where this pin is getting power, means from the external devices this pin is getting power, but not from the controller. Okay, this one is a P channel MOSFET, this one is N channel MOSFET, and this is microcontroller pin. Okay, and this one is VCC and this one is the ground. So here in general, this PMOS transistor, that is P channel MOSFET, is connected to VCC and N channel MOSFET is connected to ground. But now I configured this pin in input mode. Input mode means now this pin is in floating state, that is high impedance state. High impedance state means these two transistors are off. It's not connected to VCC and this one is not connected to this ground. Here, microcontroller only senses the voltage present on this pin. It will not drive it will not push or it will not go. Okay, so the voltage, I mean the pin voltage, this pin voltage depends on the external devices like buttons, electrical circuits, pull up and pull down resistors. Okay.